Hey, it's Haley Pomeroy here, your nutritionist, and I get asked a lot, why do I use product or the Metabolism Revolution bundle when we're working on the Metabolism Revolution? And I'll tell you, some clients use it, some don't, but definitely if I have someone whose metabolism is really stuck, we'll use product to help enhance or stimulate that metabolism. And so in the Metabolism Revolution book, you're going to find a super simple program here that's going to show you how to integrate the product. First and foremost, because you're focusing on rapid weight loss, we're going to want to make sure we eliminate as quickly as we release toxins from those fat cells. So you're going to take your Metabolism colon, somewhere between 1 and 2 capsules a day. The goal is to really keep those bowels moving so that you eliminate the toxins. You're going to take your Metabolism multi 2 capsules twice a day. We do this to help level the playing field quickly, to infuse the body with micronutrients, especially those B vitamins. B vitamins help with a process that's called methylation. Methylation is really important when you're talking about the metabolism. Methylation is all about how the body removes toxins, how the body deals with stress. So we're going to say toxins here, we're going to say stress here, and also how the body deals with infection. So things like viruses, funguses, parasites. Methylation is really important in that process, and when the body's not working efficiently through that metabolic pathway, you can definitely slow down the rate of burn. Then of course we use our metabolism shakes. These can be used as a meal replacement. You can use them for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And I always tell my clients, let's use those up to 2 times per day. It's really simple. You mix it with, you can use ice water, you can use room temperature water. It comes with this groovy bottle. You just shake it up and you can take this on the go. Now these are targeted micronutrients. It's all organic. It has kale, spinach, spirulina, a lot of micronutrients that help what's called phase 2 of liver detoxification. Remember, we talk a lot about this. Phase 2 of liver detoxification allows the body to take fat and convert it into all of your healthy hormones. It takes cholesterol and converts it to estrogens, progesterones, testosterones. It helps your body metabolize glucocorticoids, which regulate blood sugar, mineral corticoids, which regulate hair, skin, bone, muscle, collagen, elastin. That's one of the reasons why a lot of our clients utilize this, so that we can get where we need to get to quickly. So again, you can use this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, up to 2 shakes a day. You take your multi 2 tablets twice a day, your colon 1 to 2 twice a day, depending on how well the bowels are moving efficiently. And your book has a super simple meal plan to go with it. But don't forget, we're going to be cooking incredible food together in my kitchen. Make sure you join me for the next challenge and take advantage of this super simple plan.